Okay, hi. Uh, let's think about your morning routine. Okay, as you sip your coffee, you may not realize that the machine make a perfect cup have start their journey somewhere from foundry. Okay, all metal part insides, heating elements, the gears, the walls, they are made from a molten metal shaped with precision to bring you the perfect moment of calm. Okay, consider another scenario. Consider your commutes, the bus you take, the car you drive, the bicycle you ride. They all made from a part that cast in a foundry. Later they assemble and make the machine that moves us. Hi, my name is Vivek and I've been working at the Quantbit Technology as a product lead engineer. From past 3 years, we are leveraging a Frappe product to deliver the tailored solutions. Our expertise is lies in implementation, customization, and development of web-based application using a Frappe framework. We are giving different solutions to different businesses such as sugarcane, dairy businesses, foundry businesses. This our app, Foundry and Machine Shop, ours show our commitment towards the foundry industry. Okay, now Akshay will introduce you to the foundry industry, how actually it works.
Hello, I am Akshay Mahadadalkar. Uh, I am working on various Frappe products since last 2.5 years. And my background, as Neha said, I am from commerce background. So I visited various client side which are facing various problems regarding to streamline their processes regarding to manufacturing and all. So I found ERPNext is the best solution to cater all these problems. So we are from Sangli, Western Maharashtra region, and our industry is renowned for its foundry and machine shop business. And good news is recently our area has been classified as one of three major foundry clusters in India by Government of India. So, what is foundry industry? As Vivek said, we all are surrounded by various foundry products or casting products, and without any casting products, our life won't be easy. So, what is casting? Here you can see on screen, there are some raw materials which are getting poured into furnace, and after that, it will poured into boxes with different sizes, and after cooling it down, it will get its desired shape. So it will ready for further processes and ready for industrial use. So what are the challenges we have faced while implementing existing ERPNext module? So first of all is bill of material. In foundry industry, there are multiple finished goods are manufactured by consuming common raw materials. So BOM is required to be configured in such a way that there are multiple finished goods from consuming single raw material. Next is job card or shop floor management. In that, you can see here multiple finished products are updated, and additional cost and other overheads are apportioned based on weight of the casting, weight of the casting. Next is casting treatment. This is also another uh, shop floor data entry. Here you can see there are data entry. The red mark is the data entry point which user will enter, and all other data will be auto updated. The last challenge is additional cost. This is the crucial part for any manufacturing industry, as additional cost in this specific industry is required to apportion based on its weight of the product and not quantity of the product. So we have updated multiple stock entries with multiple purposes for that. So we will give you quick overview of how process flow works in foundry manufacturing.
Okay, now I'm going to walk you through the how industry works. Okay, we have mapped this process with the ERPNext. Let's start with sand preparation. At the sand preparation, different kind of sands are mixed together to make a mold out of it. Next, pattern preparation. Okay, at this stage, the sand is pressed against the pattern and make a mold out of it. As you can see in picture, this kind of molds are prepared out of it. Next. Okay, at the next stage, pouring. Okay, at this stage, different kind of charge mix. raw materials are mixed together in furnace, heat at the certain temperature, and then later poured it into molds. So they make the parts out of it. Okay, at the next. So they are kept for a cooling for a certain time. Then after casting inspection, the product is ready to go. Okay. This is a like short video how we map the all manufacturing process with the ERPNext.
So our approach is to reduce data entry at all level. So we have maintained centralized master system which will configure, and you can see on screen user will enter only those data which are variable during each manufacturing cycles. You can see here after updating grade all other data is updating automatically by pre-configured masters. In next table, you can see user will enter only actual used quantity from which we will get precise variance analysis also. So here we try to match costing, finance, inventory tracking all from single data entry, which will be useful from shop floor management to top level management to get decisions. And after that, if any other consumables, here also user will update only variations in actual manufacturing processes. And finally, additional cost. The additional cost here is apportioned based on the weight of the product and not quantity of the product. And you can see the stock entries are getting updated automatically with multiple purposes. So end user is need not worry to think about any stock effects and its valuation, and correct product costing has been captured by this data entry. So here another data entry screen. Here also you can see boxes in red marks are only updated by end user while data entry, and all other data is being updated automatically. So in foundry industry, after casting is manufactured, it's not ready for its industrial use. It requires further processes to get its ready for its industry. Here on screen, you can see that here is a flywheel, which is unpolished and not correctly dimensioned, which get machined in this large machine. After that, it will get polished with correct dimension, with correct drilling, and which will be sold to the customer. So in a casting, in machine shop business, the parameters or KPIs are far different than used in casting business. So in machine shop business, everything depends on cycle time of each operations performed. So Vivek, here we give you quick process flow of machine shop.
Okay, in a machine shop industry, casting have to go several stages, which includes their quality, efficiency, and other things. So it start with production planning. They have to check the other their resources, raw materials availability. Then at the next stage, material cycle time, they added the cycle time to their specific items with the operations. Then at next stage, production is actually happening. At this stage, the main machining is happening in a machine. Then after the production, downstream processes are there. So at uh, after machining, some other things are to do with the casting, such as painting and drilling. So this is happening at this stage, and after the stock updation, this process is ends. Okay.
So there are different data entries. These are the screenshot for data entry points in the machine shop business. Here also we followed same philosophy. We made predefined masters as machining bomb and downstream processes from which all data is getting updated, and user will update only quantity and analysis related details in each data entry. So next is report. Then our biggest challenge is to enhance trust of the management, which on various reports build, and external tool like Excel, reports built in Excel will never get trust uh, more trust than report generated by system itself. So our try is to map all KPIs required from shop floor to top management at very entry level, so that each and every data has been captured and report is generated fast, which is useful for each and every level of the management. Here you can see OE report, which is used in machining business, and it is calculated operating efficiency of each and every machines. So here is a summary report of machine shop analysis, which will give you operator wise, machine wise, and rejection analysis. And all these reports are generated from single data entry point. So our so we have divided reporting in three parts. First one is register all ledgers which are required by the shop floor management. Then summary reports which are required by some managers, and finally analysis report which are required by top level management to take decisions. So after developing this custom app based on Frappe framework, what user benefits we have added to users? First of all, a flexible framework. As we have analyzed the existing legacy systems, the one of the shortcoming is that with changing business dynamics, user need more flexible configurations. So we maintain centralized master system and enable users to configure systems according to their needs. Then, as centralized master system is maintained, data automation you can saw in previous video, like stock entries and other things are being auto updated, so end user need not worry about it. Then greater accuracy, as user is not entering data repeatedly, accuracy of the every report uh, is very high. Then as we can see, every report is generated as and when data entry updated from shop floor management to top management. Faster decision making is possible for all decision makers, and improved data traceability is the key feature of the ERPNext. So we have followed that in our module also. Thank you. And currently we are catering into these regions, and with the various domains. Thank you. If anyone question, so our try is to build solution based on Frappe framework and not only implementing ERPNext. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshay and Vivek. Any questions, anyone? We can make it interactive. Yeah.
Are you looking forward to collaboration, applying same foundry industry to investment casting or sintered casting or those kind of alternative casting methodologies?
Yes, we are currently we are in investment casting, provide solution in investment casting.
Is that open source?
No, currently it is not open source. We
Yeah.
are upgrading it, and after upgradation, it will be
Because
open source.
I am coming from the second cluster declared by government of India,
Okay.
that is Rajkot.
Yes, I know.
And I see the application over there with all multiple alternative casting industries.
Okay.
So if it is open source and if you are looking for collaboration, there are more possibilities around there in western part also.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, I wanted to ask you that what quality parameters are considered when these processes are going on. Let's say, for example, you said you created a mold, you followed into several processes to make it, right? So, in this kind of industry, it's basically like it's given outdated. For example, a company like Mahindra will give its engine for casting to a casting person. So in that scenario, quality is important,
Correct.
right? So what quality parameters does this flow considers, if at all, Mahindra comes to you or to a casting company and says that this is not good or what? So I don't know. is something internal, which I also, as a frappe expert, feel that it's not internally. Its quality parameters are considered either at the time of in or at the time of out of the product, but within the process somewhere needs to be defined. So if it is defined somewhere, I wanted to know about it. That's it. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, various quality parameters we have maintained in this system. The basic parameter which required is the traceability of the each and every product, which is defined from its hit number or hit entry. So, hit entry or hit number is traceable from its beginning, from pouring entry to the sale invoice. So, whenever Mahindra or that partner or that customer required backward traceability, how it is made and what chemical composition was manufactured and what quantity is manufactured in that particular data set of products, we can trace it back from till the pouring entry. And other testing like radiography and all, we have maintained separate doc types.
Maybe it can be with the help of batches or serial numbers of the
Yes,
product that
yes,
has
we
been
can
produced.
implement batches and serial numbers with that.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. I look forward to visiting Sangli and one of the manufacturing plants because I'm curious to see. It's like,
Yes,
it's good to know academically, but when you really see it, we learn the most.
yes, we will love to welcome all Frappe team in Sangli. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.